All right, are we live? Can you guys hear me? How's it going? Let's see, 23 people. We got metal, silver's in the house. What's up, 213? Says did all spot him. Doesn't seem like it. We're dying right now. It's ridiculous. All the world's a stage. They keep dumping on everyone, but wait, there's more. Yep. What's up, Bryant? What's up, Sam? What's up, Ben? Do we see ABT recovering to $2? I haven't looked at our clock. What's up, Sullen in here for $2.79 Canadian. I appreciate that. And we take spell token first. Spell token first, super chat. I appreciate that, my man. I think that's what we got on the screen here. But yeah, how's everyone doing? Spell token, she's still kind of holding up here. We got 27 people on YouTube, live on Twitter. How you guys on Twitter doing? Yeah, we're looking at spell right now. Music's good, not too loud. Ultimately, spell's in a good spot. It did get stuck at the 382 at 0020 here, but if we go from the high here to the low, the volume's gone up a little bit too. It was at 18 billion, now it's at 18.1. So it's still looking bullish to me. It's above the high to the low, 786 at 0013. So as long as we hold that, we got to punch through this 382 here. And then low to the high, you can see the 236 is right on that 786 here. So as long as we're holding this, spell doesn't look too bad at the moment. 4-hour time frame. Looks like we're coming up on support right now. So 1.6 could be support. So 1.6 down to 1.4, you're bullish, even down to that other level. This is a smaller time frame, of course. But we'll see. I mean, it needs to push through here. Keep the momentum going over this 2-0 level. If not, it made a higher high slightly, and it's just going to crawl back down to the trend. These guys see some of these coins are just getting hit hard. Oh my lord, my man, he's got 20 million Jasmine now. Metal detecting is going to make it. Jeez, 20 million, 20 million. I wish I had 20 million Jasmine. Swift dump, yeah. It's getting bad. I mean, where's our bull run at? Can you guys imagine if this is it? XCN, XRP already topped out and it's just done. Ooh, why the heater on? Yeah, same thing with Swift here. Came up and hit higher high and got stuck at the 1618 and now she's dropping. That's what I keep telling you guys though. These coins are moving, but we're not in alt season yet, so they're going to just continue to chop around them right here. They're going to get you bullish and then it's going to break your heart back down. So Swift here, it needs to stay over 19. 198 to stay bullish. That next would be 16, and if you lose that, it's probably just going all the way back down. But technically, still bullish on the macro here, as long as you hold 19 down to 13, and then you move right back up. We say bullish, but then when you measure it out from where you are now, you didn't sell and take any kind of profit. You got to sit through a 35% drop here. let's not remove that. Let's see. What's up, Jeff? Where are we at? Look at XYO. I would imagine there's nothing bullish right now, huh? That wasn't already bullish yesterday. Oh, XYO. Yeah, XYO. I mean, she's moving up right now, but ultimately getting stuck. I got stuck at the 786 and then now below the 618 and below the 382, high to the low here. So it needs to get back above 2-1 to be bullish again. 2 pennies, 2-1. You're at 2 right now. But yeah, I mean, right now it's making lower highs, lower lows again. But dang it. Hold on, I gotta turn this heater off. Alright, we're good now. We got XYO here. Let's see. I mean, it needs to get over 2.3 to get over the 618, but it's not looking great at the moment. But a new high on this one up to 21 would get you a 10x. I don't know. It looks like the top is being put in on everything again, and we're going back down. Back down we go. Music is too noisy. Is it too loud? Can't concentrate. All right, there we go. Maybe that's better. What do we look? Oh, comments. Yeah, I added some more songs again just to mix it up. Oh, 10 million, not 20 million. What's up, XCN, bro? Rudy. Feels like alt season has started. What's up, Dave? Yeah, did you see the coins we got in? Apologies for being so feisty in last night's live. I don't remember anyone being feisty. Waiting for Jasmine to start moving. All right, let's see what do we need to look at. Arc block and XCN. What's up, Slava? How you doing, my man? Arc block and XCN. Yeah, XCN ultimately is just still holding. It's not doing anything. I'm hoping, because that's the only thing I'm holding besides meme coins. I'm hoping this thing holds up. But yeah, potentially in another large triangle pattern. We're consolidating low to the high. You can see we just hit the 618 and we're holding. Coming back down to it again. Not the best looking triangle pattern, I would say, but the idea. So as long as we can stay over 256 here, then we're in good shape to maybe push out, get over 3.2 and then 3.8, and then get that next leg up. But as of right now, in the 4 hour, we're still holding up. Not as tight as we did last time, but still holding. Is ABT still holding up? Arc block, let's see. Yeah, can you guys hear the music now? I turned it down a little and switched the song. Let's see what old arc block is up to. Coming back down. It's like they won't let us be bullish. I mean, come on now. It's 2025. Let's get it rolling already. I would love to have a monster bull run this year and just go up, just coins every week blasting off for the rest of the year. Yeah, arc block is still sitting on the 786 support here at 115. I think it was 117. Yeah, 117. She's dropping below it. But yeah, ultimately it's still doing nothing. Still bullish on it though. As long as this little consolidation period holds up and we hold over these levels, then we should be good for a move out of here if it's ever going to move. And once you break over 224, she should start flying. Or potentially when she gets bullish over 163 to 184 here, the 2272, then maybe that'll get ABT out of here. Yeah, ACH sold off big time. My good man Render is killing me. Yeah, there's nothing to say. I don't know why we're going down so much. Fastest way to become a millionaire is to start with $1 billion and come on to butthole coin. Oh man, I don't know what to do. Arc block. What's our arc block target? Let me move this off the screen. Conservatively, I mean, if it stays up here and it doesn't break down, if it breaks down from this point, then it may never go back up. But from here, 13, 14, maybe $15. Get one last little 10x out of arc block and $1 billion market cap here. 13x. But you know, the fib we have on the chart, the fact that it's been respecting levels that we've had on here, and it, you know, it's been going sideways forever, and it pumped, going sideways again. I can see it hitting the top of the fib here if we're going to run ever. 3 billion market cap up to $30. 28x. What's up, what was that? Undead God? What's up, Undead God? You bought 20K worth of GFM thanks to your advice. No advice here, my man, but did you? Yeah, that one moved. I'm glad you made money on it. But we only put like $40 on it. I put 35 on it. But whatever. But yeah, I'm glad you made some money. What's up, CD? Make the market pump, please. Yeah, we already looked at Swift Coin. Swift Coin, the top is in probably. Same thing with ACH and whatever else pumped recently. Spell. If they don't hold supports, then it's just simply a macro chopping again. But yeah, Swift Coin needs to hold over 198 here, pretty much where you're at right now, 2.0. It could drop 35% and still be bullish. So if you can hold through a 35% drop to stay bullish at 1.3, 3.82, and then bounce. But it just looks like a top is in, especially on the macro. Did I get a super chat? I didn't even see that. Oh yeah, we got the spell token on the right track. Says for 2 hyper round XE going to $10 on time. Yeah or no, you mean? Hype around XCN going to $10 on time. I don't know what that means exactly, but I appreciate the 2. First, you got to get XCN to $1. I wouldn't even worry about $10 right now. That's a pipe dream, I think. Maybe one day, but I don't think this cycle. RBN, what is that? RBN. It's just, what do you call it? It's disheartening. RBN, what is RBN? Ribbon Finance. But I finally get a little baby bag in the market. And of course I bought XCN after it already pumped, so probably killed it, and then the meme coins we're buying are just going to zero. Just can't ever win. I mean, it is what it is. It's so miserable. You can hear it in my voice. Oh man. Especially when you're poor and you're trying to buy, just trying to get your foot in the door in the market and do something. And every time you get in, every time the coin just goes down, or you sell it and it'll go up. I'll sell XCN right now and it'll go up for you guys. Yeah, this Ribbon Finance had a nice little pump, but quickly sold off. Just the market, every time something pumps, the market just says no. We're going back down into the shadow realm. They're not going to let us have any money. Maybe the way to do it is like metal and just buy a ton of one coin and just wait. Or like the other guy, 20K on a meme coin, that's going to pump, and it pumps. But yeah, this one, the bottom is still in. It's still got that bottom formation. It already broke out, came back, just like everything else did. Little baby move. But the 236 here, 28 is your support. If it can get a weekly? Yeah, it needs to get a week. No, I guess not a weekly. Let's zoom all the way out to the monthly. Yeah, it looks like it needs to get a good monthly candle to close over this level at about 50. What are we on? When did this run? In March? Yeah. I don't know what this is, but if it ever wakes up, let's see what kind of damage it can do. All the way back to the 618 retracements. Not bad. Almost a 4x. And if you think this thing's going to come all the way up here, it's a 42x, $13. I don't know what this is. Started by Fed. What's up, Patrick? HFT. You hear me? You're unemployed. This is your only hope lately. Yeah, I know how you feel. Okay, I get you. A lot of YouTubers are hyping up XCN to hit $10. Do you think it will possibly, as a long-term player, even $1? If it holds up here and we get up to 5 cents and then eventually 10 cents, there's a good chance it could hit $1. Especially if people pile into it like they did this last week. The amount of views the XCN videos have been getting, and the people that came into the stream when it was bullish, it was just crazy. So maybe $1. But if it breaks down and goes all the way back down from where it is, then it's over. You also bought 50K worth of ACS. And you called in and predicted a move like XCN, ride or die. Yeah, I still want to buy that coin, but I need XCN to pump. I have no more money. My XCN little bag is already down a little bit. And if I just keep trading in and out, I'm just going to get chopped up. DeepSeek will pop this market bubble easy. Yeah, what is DeepSeek? You guys said that last night. Yeah, I'm trying to get caught up on the chats here. We got Solon again for $6.99. I appreciate that. Holding 51 minute spell. If I make it, I'll help you, Undead. What's your price short term? It looks like it's picking back up on spell. I appreciate the $7 there. I mean, as long as it can hold where it is, like I said, it may have topped. Unless these things get a huge run like XCN and some of those other coins. Like XCN started its bull run already. I really don't honestly see it coming back all the way down. It should be up only from here for some of these coins. XRP, HBAR. Yeah, the only thing I can say is as long as it stays over the 786, it's in a good spot right now. It still looks bullish on these weekly candles. As long as you're above 1.3, if you can push through 2, if this can get above 2, it'll have another nice little spike to the upside. But the volume came in nicely. I was hoping this thing would just take off. But another 2x, 100% move up to 3.5. Like I said, if it's going to hold up here. Out of all the coins we keep looking at, it doesn't look the worst at the moment. But just keep in mind, everything, ACH and a lot of coins, just everything pumped up, and then it's just coming right back down. Yeah, the volume's steadily going up again. Slowly but surely, the volume's coming in. So people are buying in right now. The only thing green, so everyone's piling in. Maybe we'll get a huge mass of people to just pile into spell in order to just go up. Oh, is DeepSeek a coin? It's making AI cryptos like Render. Oh, it's making AI cryptos like Render fall. Or is that new thing they came out with? I don't even know what that is. Better, cheaper, faster AI by China. Of course it is. You're up 12,000 on XCN. Nice, my man. All right, it's Chinese IA. It's an SPL. Bull run is over. I hope Swift goes to $1. Yeah, what are we looking at here? PNG. What's up, Crypto Meolysis? How you doing, my man? Oh yeah, that's right. You said you were going on vacation in your live stream last night. I listened in for a little bit. Can't keep looking and watching videos and scrolling Twitter. I'm going to check out for a while. Should we buy spell now? I can't answer that. Alright, I see PNG and Zen, I think. What is PNG doing? Still dying? Did she hold support? Bottom is in on PNG almost. Broke the 0.5, and now you're hitting the final high to the low. Low to the high, 786 here. So if it doesn't hold over 20, then time to break out the shorts. Should have done broke them out. But yeah, right now 20 is your price to hold and 23 is your price to get back over. If you lose 20, then down she goes. Which you're down below. If you don't hold the 786 here, I don't really see what's going to hold you up. Unless it's either 382's down here at 11. Getting brutal out here. Man. It's getting bad. Alright, if we go low to the high here, any lower than that 786, then you have 17, and then any lower than 20 down to 17, and then it's going to drop hard. Yeah, possibly another 16% drop, and then a 45% drop if it doesn't hold at 20. Just like every other day, we're bullish and embarrassed, bullish and embarrassed. Horizon's dying. Another one that pumped up, got stuck at the 618, and it's over. It's never good when you pump and you get stuck at the 618 and you form a wick and then you start to pull back like this. Because that 618 is a big level to get over. This one's falling pretty hard. Let's see. Zen. I'm going to sell my XCN and go short this stuff. Yeah, coming down to 16. If that doesn't hold, there's a very good chance you're coming down 618, 236 down here to 12 to 13, 26 to 30% drop. Yeah, there's nothing really telling me that these coins are going up. Yep, front run the short. This thing's about to come down and cross, bearish cross, and then this thing's just going to tell you it's dying. Yeah, I've noticed that lately on these little things here. We're going to call this the duck head. Every time these moving averages, if it's up or down, and it forms this little duck head with a little beak, and then it crosses bearish or bullish. So if it's down here and it's a strong move like it is here, it always just dies. Or if it's down here, it always just goes up. So this looks like it's going to go down pretty hard. Yeah, going back down to 12. I can't remember what I was looking at earlier, but it was just that same formation on a bunch of charts. So every time you see the little duck head, time to short. XCN going $5. Should have bought XCN spell PNG. Let's see here. We got another one from Sullen. I appreciate that. This is from my boy Meow. He's one of the best YouTubers. Yeah, he's pretty good. You super chatted for me. Is that what you did? I appreciate that, my man. I appreciate the super chat. What's up, flip coins? Let's see. Anything else to look at? I mean, when we're bearish like this, there's just nothing to do. I mean, there's really nothing to say. If your coin's dying, it's probably going to keep dying. Let's see. Yeah, like I said, you're lucky if XCM is going to get to $1. You can be bullish all you want on anything, but ridiculous prices like $5 or $10. Yeah, maybe if you're going to hold XCM for the next 10 years, maybe, or something like that. Till next cycle. But you also got to realize, well, I think I was looking for XPR. You also got to realize that when these things go to the top, I mean, no matter what you look at, when it's a bear market, everything's going to die back down. XPR network, let's see. So how is XRP and all these other coins holding up? XPR is not looking too bad. There's the duck again. It's the 4 hour though, it doesn't count. What am I trying to look at? I'm trying to get this off the screen. XPR is holding up here. She's going sideways. That's a good look. That's what you want to see. At least this one's not dying. And it does appear you're forming inverse head and shoulders. And you're over the 236. So inverse head and shoulders, and it didn't look bad. I would say as long as you're over 5.5 down to 4.4, you're good here. With that possible inverse pattern. And the price to beat is, of course, 0.5 at 7.4. That'll send you up to the macro 618. And if it holds up here, up to a penny. 140% move, but you got to get through 007 here. Radix, what is this? This thing just broke the low. Man, some of these coins are dying. They're actually breaking their lows, but this one didn't have one much to begin with. Damn. What are you guys arguing about? XRP to the moon, says Slava. What is ETF? Is that a coin? ETF. Let's see if there's a coin called ETF. Yeah, you got to be more specific on this one. Yeah, be more specific, and I'll see if I can find it. But what is the VVV coin they just listed on Coinbase? Someone asked for it earlier. This one here. One giant candle. Yeah, is this the right coin they just listed? This thing is trash. Yeah, they listed it on Monday and it went to 0. If this is it. Let me switch this music. It's like bear market music. It's horrible. Someone make some money. Let's get happy here. This is getting out of control. All right, better music. It ran 7,500% crashed. Yeah, it must have ran up to getting on Coinbase because Coinbase listed it, and then every time Coinbase coin it dies. I don't know why. Someone said Toshi earlier. Go to X Screener. Let's check up on our gamble coins. X Screener. Let's see. Yeah, how's your vacation going, my man? I know it's your first day there, wherever you are, but yeah, that's another thing. These new coins coming out and they have low circulating supplies. I mean, SCI is even dying now. I don't know what the supply is. Yeah, everyone, let me know. What the music is? Is it too loud? Type of 1 if the music is too loud. Got 55 in here. I want 55 ones right now. Are you getting timed out? All right, Dave says it's too loud, so I'll trust Dave. Let's see what it's on. All right, that should be good. What are we looking at? Oh, this VVV coin. You said Pepe's going to gain a 0 or take away a 0? Oh, Pepe's dying too. Man. Yeah, there's no safe coins out there. Pepe's coming up to support. Where are we at? 618.5, 1414. Wait, let me bring that back up. Yeah, Pepe may come all the way down to the 618, pick up a 0 and go 86. And then we'll see if the bottom is in. This is making me want to sell XCN and go short all these coins that are falling. What are you talking about? Yeah, Zbeck. She's above the 236. I mean, this thing's just going sideways. It depends on where you want to do it to that scam wick or wherever the bottom is on this thing. But ultimately, it's going sideways. I like that better there. So maybe you're not there yet. Maybe you need to get over 1-1. But this is another one that's just on the bottom. If it's going to die, it's going to die. Oh, yeah, SCI's dying. Oh my god. Yeah, SEI is coming down. Next stop is 24. 16% drop here. What vote is going to pass? Did I miss anything? Yeah, we may just have to cut the music because I don't know if it's loud in my ears. I don't know if it's loud in you guys' ears. How's the music now, Dave? But XCN's still holding up here. It's still holding. When it breaks down, we'll know. You're still holding over the macro 618 on this candle, so it still looks good in that respect. All the way down to the 4-hour, our little triangle, or our new triangle pattern's trying to hold. Needs to stay over 2.5, get over 2.9, and then potentially break over the 3.82 to be bullish again. 3.3 up to 3.8. But as of now, it's still consolidating here, just like it did last time. That's what I keep saying. So it's still holding up at the moment. Do we see anything bearish on the chart? Yeah, if we get another pump up here and we get stuck and we pull back again, then there's your bearish head and shoulders. And then the price is going to break down to 618, 786, and then it's over. So when it moves again, it needs to go. All right, it's good. I appreciate that. Pluto says don't sleep on Zebek. You'll be crying later. Yeah, we should have just listened to Myro. Myro was telling us for the last couple of weeks. We watched it break the low and just keep breaking down, and now everything's following. Myro and Billy told us what was happening. Myro's getting hit. Yeah, Myro's coming down to 2.5. Yeah, this music's annoying the hell out of me. Yeah, I added some new songs for you guys, so I'm going up through them. Some of them are kind of annoying. All right, what we're going to look at on deck screener, Toshi. Stop the screen. What happened? Deck screener for the win. Let's see what's going on. Is Toshi still holding up, or is she dying? Yeah, I'm just gonna have to turn this down on my end because it's annoying me. Yeah, you know we're bearish when there's not even 100 people in here. It's barely 50 on YouTube, 20 on Twitter, usually a couple hundred on Twitter. Everything is down. Yeah. Let's see. He's holding the OXT. Yeah, you said you're going to buy more in. Is it dropping? But yeah, Toshi here. Someone asked for this like an hour ago. Let's see. Oh yeah, she did come back down. So it's pretty much on support right here. A 1618 at 117. So any lower than this, it looks like the top is in now for Toshi. But we said this last night. It's not going to go up forever, so hopefully you guys or whoever holding this, hopefully you took profit. But we keep saying that on all the coins. There's no all season, so ACH hit the top. Hopefully you guys sold. It's probably, I don't want to say it, but it's probably a good idea to sell Spell and everything else we're holding because we're going down. Yeah, it kind of looks like the top is in for Toshi. So any lower than 117, and then your next support is a 12% drop to 10. How are your coins doing, flip coins? Yeah, this stupid coin we bought last night. Oh, she's finally coming back up, but she broke down. We looked at it, what, right here? It's just a 1 hour chart. I don't know where it was, but I guess the triangle pattern is bigger than we think. So let's see if we're going to get our money on this stupid coin. Stupid on soul. It needs to break over the 618 at 28. Little green candle spawned in. And then maybe we'll get our 9x. Oh, it's back at the price we were looking at it last night. That's crazy. Yeah, still not looking too bad on the 4 hour. I just need one 9x on anything. Billy. Moonies are out. It's a big cap cycle. Neck is the only thing holding up, is it? He says I'm scared. Yeah, all we gotta look at is the people here, and we know we're going down. No one's here again. Better than it used to be, but well, Billy's trying to come back to life. Right, every time we look at it, it makes a new low. Come on, computer, you can do it. Used car breakdown, I guess, since you're scared. Oh, it did. Oh, no. It's at the bottom. Everyone pile into used car. The bottom is in. Yeah, if used car breaks down from where it is right now, then it's just going to pull a Billy, and it's probably never going up. At least not now. Yeah, used car, just... Where are we at? Let me switch this back over. Oh yeah, what was our other coin doing? Let me look at the other coin real quick. What was the other one we got? We looked at these last night. We bought in real quick. Oh yeah, GFM. GoFundMeme. Oh no, she's coming down. Just made a higher high, so not too bad. just going to hold on to it and see what happens. All right, let's get back over here. As we watch Myro die, let's see. Any chance AI XBT? Yeah, that one's dying too. That was the other one I was thinking of when we were looking at Pepe. You know, pretty much broke the trend, the 382, and down she goes. So as long as you're below 4.6 on this one, another 13% drop to 3.6. Excuse me. Let's see. Wait, what did I miss here? I missed something. Fed meeting tomorrow. Yeah, another day of going down. Got Carlos for 5. I appreciate that, my man. What are your thoughts on Well, and can we get a quick TA? Well, it's coming back down to the trend, I believe, if I remember correctly. Yeah, we'll go look at it. I appreciate the 5. We got flip coins for 10. I appreciate that, my man, with the super sticker. I appreciate that a lot. Especially with super chats coming in with it being so bearish here. Even though some of you guys made money on some of these coins, I know a lot of you are up on XEN a lot. Well, but yeah, this one just broke the trend, it's dying. Someone said Mog earlier. Yeah, we'll look at Well. Man, I'm gonna go convert some of my XEN to some Tether and send it over to short some of these coins. Some of these look like they're just gonna die. Yeah, Mog broke the trend. But the only thing you can really do is if you're bullish on coins, kind of like what Crypto Meolysis does. You know, if your coin just it comes up and you're just going to hold and it comes back down, just buy in lower. Load up on your coin. At some point, it's going to run. But yeah, we look at Well all the time. Well broke all of our supports we've ever drawn on the chart. And she's down below the 3.2. And I've been saying this a lot lately. Or every time we look at Well. Probably back here when it broke. But it's just going to slowly crawl its way around and hit the trend at some point, 618 at 2.5, and then we'll go back up. So if that is the case on Well, over the next month or weeks, whatever it's going to be, a 35% drop to come back down to the overall trend here. And like I keep saying on the macro here, we're no alt season, so we're just chopping around. Higher high, puts in the higher low, higher high, trying to put in the higher low. At some point, someone will let you out of the shadow realm and let you go up. But I think this one to $1, 4 billion market cap, 33x. I think you said Ort earlier. Wasn't Ort dying? I don't remember. Or is that VVA? Oh yeah, open custody. What did that do? Yeah, I don't know if this one's either going to get held up by the trend or it's coming down. There's nothing to draw. There's nothing else I can do for it. Let's see here. So this 7 level is coming into play. See if anything shows up here. Nah, you're down below support. So if you think Ort's going to hold up, then it looks like it's coming down to 8 flat, if not 7, and then it's just going to probably die. But if it holds the trend and bounces, you need to get back over 9.4 or 9.9 rather. Bruce, what's up? Yeah, I saw Shadow Token dying. What's up, Boxy? Welcome back. Yeah, Jasmine's gonna have a run eventually. HDS looking good. Oh man. Yeah, I know. I want to get in on it, but open custody is coming back down. What is this sitting at? 008? Yeah, I can't really go lower than this, but strong move down, potential bear flag formed. So if this one breaks the 786, and then this one's over too, open custody. Yeah, we got CBs for 249. I appreciate that. Which you can buy AIXBT if it breaks macro trend line. What do you mean by that? If it breaks back above? Because this thing already broke down. She's going down, it looks like. Yeah. But I appreciate the 250 there. Fox was insane last night. What did it do? Yeah, Fox is doing nothing. Had a spike up, it looks like, but then all right, I gotta get out of this chair. I'm dying. All right, let's see. Oh, you mean would I re-enter at lower prices? If I was gonna buy it, yeah, I guess, but there's nothing bullish on Fox here. Oh yeah, someone said Fort earlier. Oh, Fort. Fort just broke down too. Broke the trend, broke the 786. How much is this thing coming down? Another 12% drop. 11%, I mean. Yeah, these things that are breaking these trends on the downside and there's no support left, they could easily come down and make new lows. Let's see. I mean, just like it did back here. It held twice, so maybe still. Probably be making more money right now if I just took all that money and put it on a bunch of shorts. ALB. It's by Alien Base and Farm. Yeah, there's nothing. What is ALB doing? Alien Base. Last time we looked at it, it was going down still, wasn't it? Yeah, she had a little recovery, but still. All right, I gotta switch this music. All right. I had to step away for a second. Let's see. All right, what are we looking at? Oh yeah, Alien Base. But asking that question to buy back in lower, I don't know. I should have just bought all these coins at the bottom, but I didn't have the money. Alien Base doesn't look good there. Is Goldfinch worth it anymore? Let's see. What is? Yeah, Algo's still trying to hold up. XRP is holding up nicely. Bitcoin. I don't know. To me, Bitcoin looks like, what did we used to look at? I don't remember what it was. But Bitcoin looks like it's getting ready to break out of here. Inside the bull flag. And if we were to draw this, which we've done before, high to the low, you're back above the 618. And you're holding. If you hold here, this could signal a breakout very soon. For 104. GFI. What is Goldfinch doing? Let's see. So it just hit the trend again. It's above the 236, possibly double bottoming. But you say, is it still worth it? Yeah, it's gonna run eventually. We're here. I don't know what else to say. Low to the high, we're holding the 0.5. We just potentially hit the trend and we're holding. So this should be it for GFI, or it's gonna end up breaking down too. But like I said, not a bad little look here. It needs to get over the double 302 at 190 to 195 here, and then you're bullish short term and macro. And then that'll probably end up sending you to get anything to click here. But yeah, eventually, I mean, these coins are going to move, but at this point, I don't even know what to say about them. 786 retracements and the 15x, or not a 15x, up to $15 for a 10x. And then maybe you get a slightly higher high and hit $50 on GFI. 37x. What's GFAL doing? Oh, the bottom is in for games for a living. That 007 once again. Let's see. Let's see, what do we got going on? But I'm not going to hold anything to any kind of crazy returns. What's up, Central Florida? How you doing, my man? AI Nova Shell wants to go. They just signed a deal with Wayfinder. I have no idea what any of that is. What's up, Jason? ACH is coming for XRP. Spawn time. Let's see here. Yeah, the volume was, well, no, that was Spell. All right, time, and then we'll go over to Spell. Is time a good coin? I don't know if I heard that on his show last night or what. Someone said time has low market cap and all the coins out. I think that was Cryptomyalysis was saying that. But yeah, I mean, this one I believe is on Coinbase. Another coin. This is where I'm going to buy the coins at if I ever buy anything else. Can't believe I bought XCN at the top. But down here doing nothing. This one runs up to a 786 retracement, what, a 12x. And just to hit a 786 retracement, I'll take a 6.5x. But yeah, if this one's on Coinbase with a low circular, all the coins are out, then this could be something. This could be a real good play. It's been consolidating for a long time here. It just hit the hit the bottom. 786 at 17. Once you get over 32, bottom is in, bullish over 55. Bull market over 135. ACH is moving again. Yeah, I was thinking about that because it was down here earlier, such a large wick, and you don't really see that on ACH here. Very large wicks, except all the way back here, I guess. So I was thinking maybe this thing's going to start getting bought back up again. Spell, let's see, spell. Let's see what the chat is saying. I'm getting so far behind. ACH is trending upwards. Being sarcastic about what? Oh, you seem so sad. We are good. We got nice moves coming. I hope so. The bloodbath, he says. That dude says CTX. Yeah, doubled. He got greedy. That's how it is. You get greedy and then it just goes right back down and you're left with nothing. Saw it with XCN. XCN's stuck at the moment, but it still looks good. But people came following at the top, and I'm one of them. Told myself I would never do that again. What are we looking at? Spell? Oh yeah, spell. Spell really moving? Yeah, the volume's still going up slowly. So the buyers are stepping in. And kick them bears out of here. Let this thing go to the moon already. Yeah, because we're waiting for that next coin like XCN. We're waiting for the next XCN for some coin to have a giant, move to a 20x. Alright, switch the music up. Mudane crashed today, maybe a buy opportunity. Yeah, all those meme coins are dying. Let's see here. You guys are saying buying opportunities, and all I'm thinking about is getting some Tether and going over and shorting a lot of coins. Oh, where's our move? Where's our Mudane chart? Oh, that's Moon Chain. Moon Chain. I don't know where our chart went. We had one, but it's gone. Oh man, this one is dying. I don't know where our other chart went, but man, look at the RSI. Yeah. We may have to go look at this on deck screener. Yeah, let's go do that. It has the whole full chart, so we can really see what's going on. We need some jazz music. I mean, temporarily. What is the other chart we were looking at? Yeah. These coins are going to bounce back at some point. So yeah, I agree. Good buying opportunities. That's kind of what I meant by dying. It says no music, just TA. I know, but there's nothing to look at. We're looking at coins that are dying, and then we're looking at coins you guys say are pumping when they're just not doing anything. Turbo. Is Turbo still coming down? Yeah, what happened to our Turbo chart? Yeah, if we didn't have any kind of music on right now, it'd be the worst stream ever. I mean, we're so dying here. It's just ridiculous. Yeah, this is what we've been saying. If the 5-3 level on Turbo didn't hold, come on now, then there's a good chance you're going to get it down here at 0.004. So she's still dropping. I would look for another 15.5% drop to 4, maybe even a wick below. But as we've been saying, any lower than that, then you could have a problem on Turbo, because you have the overall chart here is extremely bullish looking. Higher highs and higher lows, and if it breaks this final support, then you run the risk of dropping all the way back down to that previous high down here, dropping 40% and breaking this low, and then you're just going to break structure, and then at that point you can say Turbo is dying. But I would like to guess this last 786 support, we're seeing a lot of things hit it. That could be a really good buying opportunity on Turbo. Because now that turns your 40-cent Turbo into a 83X. Well, no, that's where we are today. Oh man, 98X and almost a 99X. If it's going to go that high. 35X to 15 cents. Let's see. Degen. Yeah, we're going to switch over to Tech Screener here in a moment. Look at Mudang and some other coins, I guess. And what is Degen doing? Is it holding up or did it go down? Yeah, we had the same thing drawn on same big large triangle pattern on SEI, and SEI is dying now, so Degen may be coming behind, following. We're down below, low to the high 618, so as long as you're below 0.006, I mean, you're right here on the trend. There's nothing else to hold but the trend. Any lower than you are now, let me just move that. Then you're coming down here to 4. Possibly the 786, 20-30% drop. If it doesn't get back over 6.3 right now and hold, but nothing's been holding. Everything we draw on here, our green box, our green line, everything just breaks. And deep in, you can clearly see, we already know. But the previous trend that was in play is broken. So all you can do is treat these as buying opportunities. Buy the dip, and then buy the other dip, and buy the dip until it goes to 0. Bitcoin billionaire back in the house. He says, is the bull run over? No, it just feels like it. Yo, I'm sick of Coinbase, or I guess you mean Coinbase Wallet. What's the better exchange suggestions? You mean Coinbase Wallet? I don't know what Coin Wallet is. What's up, Joe? Can we do Ondo, please? I hit my 10K Ondo goal. But yeah, we'll look at Ondo. Yeah, it depends on what you're buying, I guess. I use Phantom Wallet to buy my Solana coins. What am I typing? Ondo. Yeah, Ondo's still holding up. I mean, depending on what we draw here, I don't know what we drew before. Let's see, ultimate low to the high. You're still holding over the 786 after you got stuck here. Yeah, you're over the 236, so you're bullish here. Like I keep saying, the only concerning thing would be the potential little bear flag here. Same thing we saw in Myro and some other coins. But right now, short-term bottom is in over 128, and you need to get over 141 to be bullish. But yeah, I'm glad you hit your goal. So if they're not releasing any more tokens this year, and this thing can have a free run of the bull run, then it'll be a good play, I think. Especially, I think I just saw someone say Ondo's partnering with XRP. If that's the case, then Ondo to the moon, I guess. But a conservative target on Ondo would be 13 here. Maybe it hits 15 and you get your 10x. And then 17 here, 13x. And if you're lucky, $20 to $25 here. Maybe it does hit $25. 19x. But yeah, if they partnered with XRP, if that's true, then oh, they did announce that. Okay, I thought I saw that somewhere. Axlar. What is Axlar doing? Oh, this thing's breaking down too. It's trying to hold the 382 right now after breaking down. Let's see. Yeah, so you're trying to hold the 382, and there's a good chance you may wick down to the 786. So it could come down to 47 or 48 there. If it does, maybe you get a wick and you hold the 382. So there's still possible an 8% drop here on this one, but that would be the bottom, hopefully. If it's any lower than that, then it's just going to die. I know I keep saying that, but that would take you all the way back down to 42. 18% drop there. Oh. All right, let's go over to Deck Screener. Let's see. Good way to diversify a crypto portfolio. If you had 5K or 10K, I was going to invest 10K. I'm thinking 5K now. Well, if you want to diversify, just 5K into 2 different coins. I was able to hit 10K gold thanks to your help on XCN. I appreciate the words, but I didn't do anything, my man. I'm glad you made it though. What's up, Steven? New to the channel, what's the better investment, LCX or Jasmy? We'll let the chat answer that, but my opinion would be Jasmy, not financial advice. Just for the fact that Jasmy hasn't ran yet, and I've always liked Jasmy. And I think Jasmy's going to $1. And the fact that LCX already ran pretty hard. It is bullish still right now. Yeah, Algo's still holding up. We'd like to think it broke out of the flag here, but it's still pretty much in it. After the strong move, she's still holding up. So, bull flag over the 32 to 33. But Algo's still holding up and looking bullish here. If it finally breaks out of this thing, 618 is up, 100% move, so 2x out of here. Come on. I guess you could argue it did break out. It's simply back testing. We could say that also. So it just depends on what time frame you're on and what narrative you want to push. So it could come back down to 3-4, 3-3 here and still back test and hold and be good if it's still in here. Either way, it's still healthy. Yeah, we looked at Spell a million times. It's not doing anything. I hate looking at Spell. It looks like she wants to fly out of here, but she's being prevented. If we can get over 2-0 here, over the 3-2, that's when you know there's a breakout coming. But right now she's sitting pretty. High to the low, you're sitting right over the 786. And holding. See it better with a 3-day candle sitting right on top. So as long as you're over 1-3, you're good. Need to break over 2. She's pushing here. We'll see if we can break through. You have a few Jasmy. Yeah, everyone's saying Jasmy. It's shipping moving. Is she moving? I'm gonna buy Jasmy now. Thinking 80K. 80K Jasmy or 80K in Jasmy? Yeah, Clover. What's Clover Finance doing? I want to ask about this one forever. No one cares about it, I don't think. Yeah, it's doing like a lot of different ones. Broke the trend, back tested it, and now it's just sitting here. Until you get back over 7.5, the bottom is not in, bullish over 15. But you did just hit low to the high. 618 got a little bounce. So if you can stay over 5, 7.5 is the price to beat to get any kind of momentum. And then, of course, Clover here needs to break back over the trend and the 382. So if you can get over 15 cents, then you're in good shape. And Clover Finance to the 786 retracement at $1. Possible almost 17x billion market cap. What did I miss? What's up, Mariah? Wow, 80K in Jasmine. There's no advice here, though, my man. That's all you. But I hope you make it. He says he just got 80K to just throw at Jasmine. That must be nice. What am I looking at? Jasmine. But yeah, Jasmine's in a real good spot right now. Inverse head and shoulders. Let's see if it's still holding these 618. Man, Jasmine may be the next up to go. Metal's been buying it. You just said you're going to buy 80K worth of it. Oh yeah, this is what we pointed out. I don't know if it was earlier on a video, but 618 broke, so you're coming down to the 786. So this should be it at 2-1. I would say 2-1 here should be the bottom. If not, then it's going to just break and not have another 7% drop. Could it drop 27%? It could, but then this would be out the window. Not that. Our inverse head and shoulders pattern here. That's about to put in the other shoulder. Yeah, if I had money, I would buy Jasmine right here, not financial advice. That should be it. And then once we finally get a weekly close over 382, 5 pennies, she's going to spike up to 12, and then so on and so forth. Oh, come on, marker. Hold on, let me get this out of the way. Might as well just take these off. Yeah, but I think Jasmine, I don't know about you guys. I know no one really agrees with it, but I think Jasmine's good for $1. I don't know. The fact it's done nothing in forever, bullish pattern, bullish setup here. Once it gets over the 382 to be bullish, why would Jasmine not have 1 or 2 or 3 giant candles bring it up here to the 786 retracement? It doesn't have to, but the fact that they have all the coins out, they have a large community. And from you guys buying in with that kind of money, Metal said he has 10 million now. I hope it goes to $1 for you guys. I hope you get your money. Everyone talking about XCM today. Man, we only have 79 people in here. Try, if not, at least 100,000 Jasmine. Yeah, I'd be a lot more peppy. I'd be a lot more happy if I had 100,000 Jasmine. Because I'm convinced it's going to $1. So I'm gonna just have to sit back and wait. Just know my 100K is coming to me. Yeah, we never did go to Deck Screamer. Is XCM doing anything yet? I thought we were going. We're on the monthly. I was like, whoa. Nah, she ain't doing anything yet. Nothing yet on XCN. Still holding up well, though. I'm gonna get concerned if we break below 2.5 again. If we break below 2.5 again and then 2.1, then I'm really concerned at that point. How did you learn to read charts? I'm still learning, but just over time. Just self-taught. Years of watching videos and reading some stuff online and going through pretty much every indicator you can think of, and just nothing working. Oh, you can also do this. I don't know if you guys know. You have to put your own settings though. But you can just bring up any chart and do the auto fib retracement and it'll bring it up for you. It's going to look completely different than this, but they have auto everything pretty much. All right, what we're going to deck screener for anyway. Let's see. Hour and 37 minutes in already. Pro prop keys, what is that? Pro. Proppy? Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, you said prop keys. I think you meant proppy. What is proppy doing? Yeah, do any of you guys out there use Blowfin exchange? I was thinking about getting me a Blowfin account and then start leverage trading again. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here, but we're gonna move that. I don't know what this is, but this one, yeah, this one broke the trend also, back tested it twice, double topped. It's holding over the 0.5, so $1 your support at the moment. All right, double 0.5 is holding. It bounced off the smaller one. It's holding the larger one. So this thing needs to get bullish back over 128 to 145. And then eventually the 250 area, get back over this trend, or it's going to come right back up here and get stuck and pull back again. So until you break over that, it's not going up. And this one, I guess this is correct, I don't know, but we'll say $12 from where you are now for a 11.5x on proppy. Did y'all say Polyswarm is moving? No, Polyswarm's doing nothing. It looks like it topped with a higher high and it's just coming back down to the trend slowly. AGIXB, please, and Dora AI. AGIXB, what is that? Are you talking about Solana coins or something? I know you're not talking about this, Dave. What is this? What is this mess? Maybe. Let's see. 4-hour chart. If this is what you're talking about, could be the bottom. She's about double bottomed here. Oh, she broke the low. Never mind. Turn back around and go back into the shadow realm. It's not going anywhere. All right, Dex screener virtual coins. Yeah, that's what they say. The RWA coins are going to do good. So the AI coins are dead, huh? That's what you guys keep saying. China killed them. China killed the bull run. Yeah, I'm still waiting for this one to go. Oh yeah, this was on the 4-hour chart. Just to make it to the top of the fib here, we just want one tiny candle. I just pray for one little candle for me. What was it? I don't remember. 222x. That's all I want. Oh, what did we look at? Did I share this? Come on. Do you guys hear music? Do you hear anything? I don't know what happened. All right, let's look at these AI coins real quick. Oh, there's the music. I don't know what happened. AXI HXT. We'll just leave it at that. Virtual coins, he says. Oh, Lord. Yeah, I know we've looked at Dora AI before. I don't see this AI. I don't see this one. Unless you mean this one on Solana. Okay, I found it. 13 million market cap. $20,000 holders. So are these virtual coins still going to go up? You're making higher highs and higher lows. Could be the bottom right now. Yeah, double bottom on the 382. Let's go. About to go up and make a higher high. Yeah, if you hold over 1.3, look out, 130% spike up. Yeah, not a bad one, I guess. Dora AI. Let's see. Well, maybe we didn't look at this one. come on. Acting so slow right now. Yeah, this could be a good one. It looks like it may come down and hit the 786 before it goes back up. So as long as you're below 153, I guess you're holding here. It's not perfect, of course. And I know it looks tiny, but yeah, this thing could drop 50% and then finally bottom out and then go back up. Yeah, you got a 4-hour close below it and you're getting stuck pretty much. But yeah, if it comes down to 3074, that could be a good buying opportunity. And then where is this one going to run to? Well, I guess I can't draw that because there's nothing here. There's no bottom yet. It came up to the 2272 and got stuck. That's what I said last night. I keep saying a lot of these meme coins, when we draw these little fibs on the charts. What the hell? How'd that move? Alright, so we got above the 2618 on this one and died. But it's a gamble play, so what are you going to do? Can't even see anything on it. Well, 170x to the top to 23 cents. Let's see. Oh, that's right. We're supposed to look at Mudang. Let me check Mudang real quick. See what she's doing. Probably dying. Yep, she's dying right now. Let's see. No, we say that, but she's on the final support here. We used to have all these charts drawn, so we didn't have to keep drawing all this stuff. But Deck Screener, like every other week, they just take everything away. But yeah, this one seems to be respecting the levels here as it stair steps its way down. It held and then died. So it's coming up on 9.2. 9.2 should be the bottom. If not, then it's going down. But yeah, whoever asked for this earlier, I mean, it could be a good buying opportunity. Almost a 10x to the new high, 1618. Yeah, we looked at Toshi earlier. Toshi looks like it topped. Because usually every stream it starts running, but it's not doing anything. But the market's so bearish right now, it's probably just getting stuck. Alright, we're back on here. Did I miss something? I think I missed a super chat. Got Eldor for 2. I appreciate that. XPR Network. XPR Network. Oh yeah, we did look at this earlier. This one's holding up. Where did we draw this at earlier? But it's just pretty much going sideways, but also it could be just a simple, yeah, if we go high there to the low 4-hour time frame, you're holding the 382, so you're bullish over 54, breakout potentially over 63. But you can clearly see this is, I don't know, I guess it's forming an inverse head and shoulders. Unless we come up here and get stuck, then we're gonna have a double shoulder. Is that even possible? I guess that's just a channel. That looks retarded. Oh man. But XPR network looks like everything else that pumped. We're done. We're stuck now. No one knows if it's going to continue to run. But macro wise, as long as you're over 4, 7.4 is the price to beat if it holds up, which it is going sideways, like I said, on the small time frame. So she's holding up just like XD in a way. But as I keep always saying, if I bought the bottom and this thing pumped like that and it's getting stuck, I would just simply cut and get out. This one, 4 billion market cap to 15 cents would be a 28x, 29x. But first stop's going to be 786 to 3 and get you a 6x from today. Yeah, I appreciate the 2. What's up, Lady T? I've missed a whole hour. Almost 2 hours. I didn't say buy Mudang. It could go lower, but it's right there. It's almost on the bottom. Is Toshi worth holding? That's up to you, but I keep telling you guys, if I get a pump and it starts to get stuck like that, it can keep going if it wants, but I'm getting out. That's why I need XCN to pump one last time here for me. But yeah, XPR is holding up. Trying to see what I missed in the chat, but there's too much chat. I don't care about the chat today. Slava says, my niece says hello. Hello to your niece. DGen, yeah, DGen's pretty much dying right now. Same, waiting on XDM to pump, yeah. Alright, let me put it on Shadow token. Yeah, Shadow was dying. Oh, I forgot about Splinter Shards. Oh, that's not Splinter Shards. What is that? Sharding Dow? What the hell is that? Oh, yeah, that happens to me every time. I'll sell a coin and buy another one. The one I buy goes down. The one I sell goes up. Same thing with DGen, and I may have put the top in for XCN since I bought it. Yeah, this thing is coming back down to the low, maybe even lower. Oh, I already have it drawn. What am I doing? So it's coming down to 2.4. If 2.4 does not hold, then you're dropping to 14. A 10% drop to save its life, and then if not, possibly a 45-46% drop. Is there anything doing anything? This auto button, I swear. Yeah, we'll look at DJing here in a moment. I got to get out of this chair and take a break for a moment, or I'm not going to be able to last much longer. We're 2 hours in. Everyone, please hit the like button for me. I know we're bearish right now, but at least hit the like button. Answer the poll. I don't even remember what I said on the poll. Oh, yeah, I'll be back in a minute. We'll look at some more coins, but I got to get out of this chair for a minute. One day, something will pump and I'll buy a new chair. Let's see, deck screener. Yeah, see, people are still bullish on XCN. I know you guys can't see it, but I'm over on YouTube looking at the thing. 3 hours ago, I put the XCN update up, and it's already got over 1,600 views. XCN's been killing it lately. Keeping the dream alive. But yeah, someone asked, do I like doing this? I enjoy doing this. I'm trying to do it full time, but it just sucks when we're bearish like this. That's why I keep saying maybe I need to get into shorting again, leverage shorting. That way when we're bearish or bullish, I can be happy either way, up or down. What's your thoughts on BBB? That thing's a scam. It's going to zero. Yeah, I'm trying to kill the AI coin, so. But we looked at it earlier. It got listed on Coinbase and it's just going straight down. Coinbase is listing everything now, so I don't know. Nice to see other ladies in here, lonely out here. Yeah, we got a couple ladies that come in here all the time. I appreciate the girls and the ladies in here. We had one lady come in here months ago in the stream and sent me 2 Solana actually. And we gambled it away on Solana coins that went to zero. But she was nice. Tried to help save me. What's up, Rashad? Sell your XEN dead. Hey, if she goes up tonight or tomorrow after stream, then you guys know I sold. My gut's telling me to sell and put that money into ACS. That's what it seems like. Yeah, TAR's AI is dumping. Like, this is not easy because we do videos and we look at these coins and then the next day support is broken, things break down. And then you have the people that come on the videos and act stupid. What's up, Roger? But yeah, if you guys stare at Bitcoin for a minute, I'll be back in like 5 minutes. I got to get out of this chair. I'm going to go crazy. Let me switch the music. You guys want bullish music, metal music, or rave dance music? No, he's a good man. Undead God. Undead, you ever do moron? All right, yeah, I'll be right back. All right, we're back. We didn't lose anybody. A few people. Let's see. What did I miss? Wish Ethereum moves today. Higher than $1 on Jasmine? Probably not. I mean, it could, but what's up, Val? Whiff is starting to pump. Are you bullish on Whiff? You're spamming. We got CE Mister for a membership. I appreciate that, my man. Or I say my man, but I see the Mister. I appreciate the sub or the membership. Welcome. Think about XCN. Let's see. Flipcoin says he's back. He had to get his car. He had to go get his used car out of the dump. What are we looking at here? Bitcoin. Degen. Degen 3-day chart. Yeah, Degen broke down. I mean, we broke the low from here. We're down below the 618. So just no saving Degen right now. Oh man, it looks to be coming down. Any of these prices, 4.9 to 4. And if it's going to repeat what all the rest of the market's doing, it's just going to come down final support. So you could drop 30%, and if you're lucky, maybe 17%. So if you're bullish on Degen, here at 0.05 and then 0.04, good buying opportunities. We saw the same thing with Turbo. Turbo's coming down to the very bottom. And I don't think these coins are any different. RSI is way below 50. Just looks horrible right now. So depending on how far Degen goes down, I mean, the new high 1272 at 16 cents is now a 28x. If it goes all the way back down to the bottom, you're getting a 40x. All right, let's switch the song again. We got to get more. I got a ton of songs in here, but they're all annoying. I got that one. We got Dennis for 2. I appreciate that. Marathon Live. ACS, please. Now we're at 2 hours. Probably won't be that long. What did I just do? Oh no. Let's see. ACS, yeah. One I would like to get in on, but I don't know yet. We'll see. I'm bullish on this one because it reminds me of XCN before it took off. Similar looking chart down here doing nothing forever. It's finally holding bullish for a month over the 236 at 2.8 here. And it's holding triple support. High to the low, you're over the 786, and if you go low to the high, you're over the 236, and then of course the macro 236. Same exact thing XCN was doing. So every time we looked at XCN, I would say the same thing I'm saying now about this one. It looks good, holding triple support. Time to go up. Not going to have the largest move as XEN probably, but from where it is now, a good 3x to the 618. I'll take that. And if it goes to the 786 at a penny and a half, you're getting a 5x, $500 million market cap. And then, of course, all the way to the top would be a 20x if it can hit 6.5 pennies. Yeah, I appreciate the 2. We got Lady T for a membership. I appreciate that. Welcome to the horde. Welcome. Joe. Ondo pumped 5%. He's happy. What's up, Kicks? Can we look at math, please? Yeah, what is math doing? Nice cameo appearance. Yeah, I watched him last night for a little bit. Figured I'd say hi. Oh, let's see. Hondo, what were we looking at? We did ACS. Yeah, I'm afraid ACS is going to do Algo and Hondo or XCN. That's why I want to get in on it so bad. Because every one I watched go, especially being down at the bottom like that and holding very strongly. This is my last day I'm done trading. Yeah, he was here earlier. Cryptomyalysis was here earlier. He may still be hanging around. He's on vacation. 1K on ACS to see what happens. That's not a bad plan, I guess. Ondo's going to be a good play. When you switch around, that's how you get chopped up and you lose your money. He says that's live stream till midnight. Yeah, I'm just scrolling through the chat, see what we're going to look at. Holding 3.3 million XCN, hoping for one last pump. Yeah, as long as it holds up here. Vault terminal coin, what is that? You got to give me a ticker and where it's at. But yeah, I meant to put that one on, but the chat came in. Yeah, what is Vault Terminal? Always take half and let the rest ride. Yeah, you'll know when XCN's really pumping because the people will pile back in like they did for a couple of streams there. It's still sitting at 2.7. It's not doing anything. We're hoping it holds over 2.5 here and holds up in this new, some sort of a pattern, whatever this is going to be. But she's not moving. right, Solana coin, he says. Vault terminal. Jonathan says lessons learned, got greedy. Yeah, that's how it is. That's how it was last time. The FOMO kicks in, the greed kicks in, and you want your coin to go to the moon, and it just stops and drops. That's why I keep telling you guys, make sure you take profit at some point. What are we looking at? XYO. Yeah, XYO is trying to break out of the little bull flag pattern. Could be. Needs to get over the 618 at 2.3. Then you'll be in a good spot. So yeah, it looks like this one's breaking out. It's getting stuck right at the 382 right now. So 21 to be bullish, and then 23 macro 618, and then you should be in good shape at that point. Deleted the wrong one, but hopefully get a breakout on this one. If it gets over 23, next stop up is the 786 at 4. 95% move. Let's see. Yeah, we've looked at Spell a million times. Spell's in a good spot at the moment. I really don't want to go look at it, but she's in a good spot. She's over the 786. Now we'll just zoom out. $18 billion in volume at the moment. But we got simple high to the low on Spell. I mean, it looks like it wants to go, but and you're holding support. Especially with 3-day, excuse me. All right. But you can clearly see on the 3-day here, RSI is going up. We're over the 786 holding at 1.3. It just needs to push through the 382 here at 2.0. But it doesn't look bad at all. Just broke this high from back here, so it's not, like I said, it looks good. Maybe the Spell's the next one up. Get the volume flowing into Spell here. But if we can get over 382, that puts in play the 618, so 3.5x. What did he say? Volts terminal? Let me find that real quick. Come on. I just saw Velvet Unicorn by Virtuals. What am I looking for? All right, deck screener real quick. Look at Volt Terminal. Potentially not a bad one. 306. Got a little market cap. 3,000 holders. Solana Gamble. It looks like it's holding a bottom and going sideways. Yeah, what is this? Oh, the bottom is in. Yeah, if this thing holds where it is, well, let's see what kind of damage this thing can do. Here's another one for you, Dave, if you're still here. Vault Terminal on Solana. Low market cap, let's see. Oh, not bad. 42x to a new high. Perfect time to buy. It's holding a bottom and the downtrend's in play. It could go lower because we've seen it before, but that's why it's a gamble. How high can Toshi go? Yeah, I'm gonna have to write this one down. Let's see. Because I got Popcat, but Popcat's just going to 0. This looks like a good chart. Vault Terminal. Vault for the win. Yeah, you're still holding Toshi? Why don't you get out on this large wick? It's trying to hold the 1618 right now at 117, but if it doesn't, this looks like a top. Toshi may be done. Hey, whatever happened to that Mochi coin? Is it going up? So right now, 10% drop back down to 1. As long as you're below that 618 or 1618. But if it holds and it goes, you can see what's that top of the fib? Another 150% move or so. 154% move. But it does not look great right now. Yeah, every time I look at Popcat, it's just going down more. But yeah, hopefully that GFM coin will run for us. Oh, there's Mochi. Mochi's still holding up. Uh-oh. Is this one really getting listed on Coinbase? Does anyone know? Or is there any way to find out? But all the way down to the 4-hour time frame, she's pulling an XCN. Little bullish pattern. Not too good of a move, but still 3.5x to the 1272 at 301. You wish Ethereum moves tomorrow? It'd be nice to get alt season already. So a spell a good buy. It was a good buy on the bottom. Spell was one of the coins we were watching along XCN and Algo, and I can't even remember the others right now. ski mask cap broke out. Did we look at that one? Ski cat, this one? Yeah, she's over the 236. Once it gets over 7-1, she's bullish. And then you get your 20x up to 11 pennies, 12 pennies. Yeah, ski mask cat, that's the right one. I'm waiting for Popcat to just move back up a little bit, just so I can take my little peanut bag out of it. Brett on ETH. Talking about regular Brett. Oh, Brett on ETH. I didn't know there was one on ETH. Yeah, you're gonna have to tell me which one. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Which one is it? Yeah, Carlo. If Carlo's still holding up, it's another good one. It wasn't a very bullish pattern last time we looked at it. Yeah, we're down to 30 people on each platform now. All right, the second one. This one. Hope she's curling up at the bottom. See. I mean, there's so many good gamble plays you could do if you just had the money to do it. Low to the high, the 0.5 held, so that's not a bad look. So we're going to see where this thing can end up. So to confirm the bottom is in on this thing, it needs to get over 17.5. Bullish over 22. And a possible new high on this one's a 7x, over 7x to $1.16. Yeah, that's that sweet spot, that 80% down. I think I heard someone say 86% down is your sweet spot. Oh, come on. Yeah, I don't know who I was watching that said that, but yeah, you look like you got it on here too. There was some dude, he was telling how to buy meme coins, what you look for, the percentage down, the downtrend, and then the 3 little cups. I think that's what he said, the 3 little cups. So your inverse head and shoulders patterns formed. And when you see the 3 little cups, buy in, and that's it. Not financial advice, but that's what he was saying. But there it is. So Brett's got the setup going here. What am I looking for? There we go. Not a bad one. Which exchange is the best in the US? I don't know. I use Coinbase and Crypto.com. But that Blowfin, I don't know if you guys heard of Blowfin, but Blowfin has no KYC. So you can use it in the US. Go spell. Farm, yeah, we'll look at Farm. So T13, yeah, Alien Base looks horrible. Eagle AI, EAI, what is that on? Is that a deck screener coin? Oh, this one, Eagle AI on base. Let's see. Wait, what was that one we just looked at? I'll look at it in a minute. Gotta start writing some of these down. Well, they'll be gone before I get any money because XCN is not moving. Yeah, this one's in the same spot pretty much. High to the low, over 26. Bottom is in, bullish over 31. Three and a half X to a new high. Almost 70% down, but it looks like it's curling up. Let's see. Yeah, I was trying to see if I can see the three little cups. I guess you could say there's 1, 2, and maybe a third one's going to form. But yeah, it's just another coin that came out and went to the moon. Now it's putting in another bottom. Yeah, just like the other one, hit the 0.5 and you're holding. So potentially a good play on this one too. Double bottom. You said, what is MOG? MOG is just another coin that they put on Coinbase. Another meme coin that's probably going to zero right now. Yeah, this chart looks exactly like Popcat. I just simply buy at the wrong time. Just broke the trend and she's coming down. 0.5 trend did not hold. That is the low to the high, so it looks like you're coming 6.8. Possibly even down to 6.3. So MOG here, another 13% drop and maybe a 40% drop. Just broke the trend. Farm, what is Farm doing? Yeah, Farm is another one that's breaking down. We say breaking down, but this may be it. you just hit the 786, so maybe the bottom is in on farm. Just tagged it. You held, of course, the trend you can see. So this should be the bottom on farm. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, it could be and it couldn't be. If the trend breaks, then it's simply coming down to the larger 618 here. So any lower than 37, what the heck is happening? There we go. Momentum is clearly down. Momentum is down, bearish cross. So it favors a move down right now. So there is a good chance that farm's going to break here and come down to 30. 21% drop. So just keep that in mind. So until you get back over 50, 51 to confirm the bottom, there's a good chance this little trend is going to break. And just ignore the market caps. I don't know if these are right or not, but farm 786 retracement, if it holds today, would be 11x to 400. A little more conservative, 618 retracement possible, 5.5x to 200. And if you think it's going to hit potentially a 2 billion market cap, a 72x almost, excuse me, 2,800 bucks almost. Let's see, what are we, how long have we been on here? 2 hours and 40 minutes. Hold on, let me make sure I got all the super chats. I didn't know we had 11. Oh yeah, I guess we did. We got a couple members in here. That's why there's so many. Let's see, BLZ and Beam. SUKU's probably doing nothing. SUKU's always at the bottom. Up 0.5%, and you're getting happy. Yeah, this is either the bottom for SUKU or I don't know. She's not moving. I would keep it simple as long as you're above the 786 here. Could very well be the bottom for SUKU. I don't know what this is. Slight trend. At 5.3 needs to get back over pretty much 8 to put the bottom back in, and the big price is 14.5. Back over the trend, back over the 3.2, and then you're finally bullish on this. Bull run is over 36 on SUKU. If SUKU can get up and hit $2, that'd be a 30x. 10x to a 786 retracement to 70. But yeah, hopefully we're more bullish tomorrow. Hopefully this, I mean, everything's dying so hard right now. How can we not be bullish tomorrow? If we have this going on tomorrow, then we got a problem. Yeah, Beam's down on the final support. Broke the trend. I think this is what you mean, BeamX. Yeah, it didn't quite tag to 786, so it still could drop just a hair, but it's holding. So yet again, even though it broke the trend, everything's telling us it should be the bottom here. But if this thing ever wakes up and goes too high, 1272, 4.5x up to 6.5 pennies. It's the thing hitting 30 cents. I don't know why we got 30 cents on here for a 15 billion market cap. Is that possible? 20x. What's up, Mo? Math is about to break out. Possibly. Just hit the trend. Come on. RSI's curled up. Oh, 3-day. That's why I couldn't see anything. But yeah, she's bouncing off the trend, so we'll see if she moves. Needs to break the structure here of the lower highs as of the recent. Back above the 0.5, so once you get back over 28 up to 31, you're bullish short term and long term. Yeah, if we can get up to the 0.5 and a break of the lower high here, that'll be a good spot then. 94, 95% move on math. You guys keep coming in here and saying that every stream, and then like y'all said about ACH the other day, she's about to take off and she took off. Maybe you guys are your own magic crystal ball. Math from 24 cents to $5 would give you 20x, just under $1 billion market cap. Excuse me. He says, where's my 40x? Yeah. Murad, I don't know who that is, believes it can go from a 19 billion, go to do a 19 billion market cap from 40 million. That's a large move. What is Retardio? Retardio. Degen's probably not doing anything. She's going back up a little bit. She's trying to hold that 618. But it already made the lower low, so it doesn't look good to me. But if we get back over 6.3, you may be in good shape. Bottom is in. Pile into Degen. I don't know where Retardio is. This thing, never heard of it. I don't know who you're talking about. I don't know what this is. What's the noise? Yeah, this thing broke all support. It doesn't look good at all. Coming back down to the low and maybe lower to 3. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, but what would the price be at a 19 billion market cap? Yeah, maybe there's a better chart. What is it on? Solana, Ethereum, Base, and we'll go look at it on Dex Screener. AVT, what is AVT doing? Coming right back down. Made a lower high, hit the 786, pretty much the 618 got stuck, and now it's coming back down to the trend. So it looks like ABT's coming back down to 229, 230. So 250 down to 230 for a 15% drop, possibly. But she's still holding the trend here. But if you can get over 313, you will be bullish, and then it looks like a breakout would be over 4. So we got some coins holding the trends and some are breaking, like SEI broke. $15 to $20 on Solana. Okay. Let me find it real quick before I switch over. Let's see. Wow, this thing's dying. Hold on, I'm gonna pull it up in just a moment. Let's see if I can get this to work. All right, it's been real. Thank you so much for doing all these charts. Good night. Yeah, we're here every day. I appreciate you coming by recently. Yeah, we're about to end it anyway. I mean, I can't sit here anymore. It just gets to a point where you can't just stare at these charts anymore, especially when you're not making money and everything you bought recently is going down. It's just go sit in the corner and stare at the wall. But yeah, this one, Retardio on the Sol, not a bad looking chart. 41 million market cap. It says it's going to 15 to 20 bucks. Let's see if I can see anything. Yeah, it came all the way up to the 1618, got stuck, pulled back. You're holding the 786 at 3.8, so you're holding the higher high or higher low. Yeah, it needs to hold here. If it breaks down to the 618 at 2.7, it could be a double bottom play, but you really don't want to come back down and chance that low there. If this thing shoots to the top of the fib, that'll take it to 50. I'm trying to see what the hell that is. It's a 300x. So a 350x, 55, 56x to 14. And then if it comes all the way up here to $52, 1000x. 1300x. Yeah, what is this? Maybe it's something I'll throw on the list. Sell my PopCat and put it in Retardio. Come on. Yeah, I can't even type anymore. I can't sit here anymore. Retardio on Sol. Thanks for bringing it up. Let me go in the poll. Yeah, we'll be back on here tomorrow. Hopefully we're a little more bullish and a little more excited. Hopefully something that I have moves at all. But let me get over here to end the poll so we can get out of here. YouTube. All right, so what is our precious little XCN doing? Come on, my computer's starting to get slow and freeze up. Yeah, we're still holding up on XCN here. Come on. Yeah, this laptop gets overheated and it just starts, everything just starts slowing down. Let's see. Come on. 58 likes. 192 votes and only 58 likes. Come on. There's the poll results. And yeah, we'll end it on that. Appreciate you guys over on Twitter watching. I appreciate everyone that's watching or watched the live stream after the fact. It's always good to have views. I appreciate all you guys in here right now. And we'll see what tomorrow brings. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out, everyone.